The Japanese beetles is the hard one to get rid of. And they're like all your best flowers, like roses, anything that smells good is going to attract Japanese beetles. And once they land on a plant, they send out a pheromone or a signal to all the other Japanese beetles that will just collect on that plant. And once that plant dies, they just move on. So they'll just gradually move on from each plant in your garden. And so you need to have some Japanese beetle defense. So today, that's what we're going to do. This here is my Japanese beetle defense. Just ordinary dish soap. And this is a sprayer I got at Walmart for, I think, $25. So just put dish soap in there. I don't even know that it matters how much, because it always seems to work. So I just put a good squirt in there. And then the garden hose. Just fill it up with water. Yeah, so you just fill it up with water. Yeah, it just filled up fast. Now, if you've never seen Japanese beetles, here is one right here on this leaf. And they will, here's another one right here. They're evidently moving to the peonies. They will attack your entire garden. So just spray the plant real good with where you find the Japanese beetles at. See when they're crawling around. And they won't be bothering you anymore. So wherever you see them, just spray them real good. And they'll be gone. I usually go out and check every day once I start spraying for them. Look right here. You can see a whole bunch of them. You can see the holes in the leaves. This is zinnias, and you know, that's usually the first place I see them. There's a bunch down there. So keep an eye out for holes in the leaves, and then when you start examining, you'll see they're all over them. So just going to just get the sprayer out and spray them really good. Wherever you see the bugs, just get all of them. So I'm spraying the zinnias real good. That seems to be where they like to first go. This is the absolute easiest way to get rid of them. I'm just going to leave this sitting here so it's nice and handy, and then tomorrow I'll come out and check to see how things are doing. If I see any more of them, I'll go ahead and spray them too. I'll just keep that up every day until they're gone. Here it is, just dish soap and water. And that's all there is to it. I just put it in this gallon sprayer that you can get at any hardware store. And just fill it with water every day, because you probably have to spray them for like 3 or 4 days in a row. But every day I just go down and get the sprayer out. You saw where I keep it handy. And just put in more dish soap and water and just spray them all. And after a couple of days, you'll start seeing them dead when you go out there the next day. And then you can just trim off the dead leaves if you want, so that it doesn't look so bad. But they're most active in the hot weather, and so when it cools down after August or during August, they just seem to disappear when it cools down. But they lay eggs in the soil, and so they will be there waiting for next year. So this year I probably put it off too long before I started spraying for them. Just dish soap and water, and when you first see them, and go out there and spray every day until they're all gone. And that will keep them from destroying all of your plants.